That's pusit. Pusit. Yeah. No need to clean. Now we have chop there in our house.
Nabibidyo mo na ako.
Oh, sige lang. We go there.
Ganyan na lang sana pinili natin o yung ganun.
Oo nga. Tilapia.
How much? 5?
I give you cheap price.
How much is one?
This one 25.
Ah, 25. All 25?
1 kilo 25.
Ah. Got this one?
Fish egg.
Kaya, how much is this?
1 kilo 45.
45?
Kinakain nila papa mo yan.
Sarap niyan. That one all 10 dirham? Maybe that one 10.
It's on 2 kg.
Huh?
It's on a whole 2 kg.
20?
2 kg daw po.
Wow! No, it's not only you have. Okay, thank you, Kuya.
Ba't may ganyan sila? Ano to?
Yung, ano sa
It's fish egg.
egg. Fish egg, no? What fish?
Or catfish.
What kind of fish?
Catfish. So that's it. It's not fast washing. After for what? Oil.
Ah, okay.
That's like no wash, no? This one that take for a home. Fast wash. Wash after for what? This one.
Thank you, Kuya. Baho ato eh. No, ito ang gusto ko na isda na ko. Ito ang hinanap ko. Ito. This one.
Tatay?
Sarap to eh. How much kilo, Kuya? Kuya, how much kilo?
15.
15? Sino tumawag na? Cleaning area. Sa? Doon tayo. Bibi there.